Good morning, students. In the previous part 1 of the French Revolution of 9th standard history, we had learned that people of the third estates were not happy in France. They revolted against the king. And why? The why they revolted and what compelled King Louis to increase the taxes. So let's learn the France during the 18th century. France during the 18th century. So when the year 1774, Louis XVI of Bourbon family ascended the throne. Who? Louis XVI. Louis XVI. Louis XVI of Bourbon family ascended the throne. He married at the age of 20 with Queen Marie Antoinette. Marie Antoinette. He married with Austrian princess Marie Antoinette, and when he ascended the throne in the year 1774, he found the treasury is empty. Why this treasury was empty? There are some reason. So why he has to increase the taxes, and what happened in France during the 18th century and when he ascended the throne. So as the treasury was empty, the reason is number 1, France helped 13 American colonies to liberate or to gain independence from Britain, which was their common enemy. So to liberate 13 American colonies. To liberate 13 American colonies, France helped America to liberate from its common enemy, that is Britain. Second, long years of war had drained the wealth of France. Long years of war. France had fought long years of war. So because of this long years of war, France had to suffer economically. Third reason that why the economic situation of France was not good, that is king enjoyed lavish life. King Louis XVI enjoyed lavish life. He did not bother about his common subject. He spent most of money on his living, on his lifestyle only. For example, a third reason is what? Lavish lifestyle. Lavish lifestyle. Lavish lifestyle of king. And fourth reason, France or the king had to maintain a large army. Okay, again, large army or huge army. Fourth reason why he became bankrupt or France was suffering from economic condition, because he had to maintain the huge army. Another reason, expenditure on court. Expenditure on court. And again, 6th point, that expenditure on universities. Expenditure on universities. So these are the reasons that France or the king had to maintain all. So that is why there was a lack of money in France. Apart from that, France or the king had taken money from the moneylenders of the state creditors. So these moneylenders also have to they also began to charge 10%. They also began to charge 10% interest on the money which they had given to the state. So to overcome this problem, king had decided to impose or to introduce tax in the France. So that is why people of France were not happy with the king. And apart from this, there was subsistence crisis. Apart from this, there was subsistence crisis. Subsistence crisis. If you take the example of the year 1715, the population of France in the year 1715 was 23 million. And if you take another year, that is of 1789, of revolution's period, in the year 1789 it rose to 28 million. So in this way, the rising population, the population was increasing, and the supply of the food, there was also more demand for the food, and the supply of the food was less. As the population was increasing, so the supply of the food was less, and there was more demand of the food and supply was less. That is why there was scarcity of food. And due to this scarcity, what happened there, the prices of bread increased. Bread, at that time, most of the population of France used bread for their diet, and as the prices of bread increased, so people of France were not happy. As they are not getting food, women also have to stand long in lines for their turn to get the bread at the shops. So due to this, people were not happy, and this led to the subsistence crisis. As people were not getting food, this led to the subsistence crisis. It means what? The scarcity of food. And it means what? The scarcity of food. For example, as there was increasing in number of population, and food was not there. So what happened during the 18th century, or during this at the time of French Revolution, sometimes the situation also became worse. Why? Because sometimes there was a hail, or sometimes there was a heavy rain, and sometimes there was drought. So these situations, because of this, the crops fell, and because of this, the rising population, and there was more demand, this food could not keep pace with the rising demand. And sometimes, as there was natural calamities like hail, heavy rain and drought, so there was scarcity, and this led to the subsistence crisis in France. And because of this, there was revolution and people revolted against the king in France.